Welcome back to Boudico. There's a design trend that's been quietly taking over. No flashy logos, no fast furniture, just timeless pieces that look like they've always belonged. It's called old money style, and here are 10 ways to bring it into your home. No inheritance required. First, crown molding. It's the architectural detail that instantly signals a home was built with intention, and it's one of the most affordable upgrades that changes an entire room. Second, herringbone flooring. This pattern has been a hallmark of old European estates for centuries, and it still reads as quiet luxury today. Third, pieces that feel inherited, not purchased last week. A single antique cabinet or side table brings more character than an entire room of new furniture. Fourth, a well-worn leather armchair. Not pristine, not perfect, just comfortable in a way that only gets better with age. Fifth, a reading nook, styled like it's actually used. Old money spaces are never about performance. They're about quiet, everyday comfort. Sixth, fresh flowers, always. A simple vintage vase with something freshly cut says more about a home than most decor ever could. Seventh, deep jewel tones. Emerald green, burgundy, and navy replace neutral everything, colors that feel rich without saying a word about it. Eighth, a gallery wall, but the classic kind. Traditional framed art arranged with intention tells a story that trend-driven prints simply can't. Ninth, a cabinet to display what you already have. Fine china and glassware are meant to be seen, not stored away for a special occasion that never comes. And finally, tall windows, dressed simply but properly. Classic drapery frames a view instead of hiding it, a small detail that ties the whole room together. That's 10 ways to bring quiet luxury into your home, piece by piece, without needing a family fortune to do it. Which one are you starting with? Hit subscribe for more home design ideas for your home inspirations every week.